Welcome to BKF TV, The Report. Today it's all about bikes. We've got 32 bikes. Somehow we got to transport them. Me, as a bus passenger, would like to take my bike with me, behind the bus. This is a challenge for every bus driver. How do I do that? How do I do that safely? So we take the bikes with us. I can do that in different ways. How it's done properly, how it's done safely, and how it's done gently. This we will show on the bike. A trailer this size for 32 until 36 bikes fit behind a 13-meter bus. How this is done, you can see. This already looks like bikes. All of them nicely ordered and tied up. Now nothing can happen to them. Small gadgetry, perhaps a useful gadget too, I can shorten the trailer until 30 centimeters. This means you can do that electrically with a touch of a button. It's useful too when I have buses that are not allowed legally to be long, you know it. But the Bikeliner is supposed to be taken along. Then I have the possibility to make it fit. To maneuver is no problem. By the way, the brakes work automatically. It's a great idea. Not only the length adjustment, we also found a second thing. With the screw, you can adjust the drawbar of the vehicle on a car niveau and a bus niveau. Therefore, we have two different heights I can adjust with it. Also interesting, I have space beneath. The brake is put aside. Many numbers of things were done to become ground clearance. Especially important for the bus. By bugs and bumps it doesn't touch the ground. Also an important issue for the Bikeliner. Not suitable to smuggle, at least not officially. We have a strong compartment flush mounted at the bottom. Inside, we lodge the technique length adaptation of the drawbar, and there is enough space for repair parts that you may need on the way. Everything on board. There is enough light in the trailer. The manufacturer is Heller with 5 years warranty. So there is no problem with loading and unloading in the evening. Lights. This time a bit different. I have a multi-volt version, how you say it. Here by Bikeliner almost every light is multi-volt, the future on a trailer. The basic frame has gotten an immersion bath, hot dip cinched in one piece, and it's handmade. So made in Germany. What do you want more? Here at Bikeliner it's standard. Not only the fuel efficiency owed, but rather through the V formation. There is space for 8 more bikes. That means you don't have in front that typical straight wall, but a ridge. Aerodynamic, little less petrol, and there is space for 8 more bikes. What do you want more? The secret is how do I get 32 bikes in the trailer. This we will show you in a fast motion movie. Load up the Bikeliners. At first untie the rails. This works over the mechanism. There you can lay them down. Set the bicycle rack, then the bike can be placed in. The other way, when you have unloaded it, put the rails up again. Turn the lever up and the rail is fixed. When we put the rail out, you can get the bike. The bike will be put into the rail in front and back. Then the bicycle rack. It's got a special coat to protect the coating and corresponding hook and loop fastener. Thereby, the soft side always has to be on the coating side. The bike is safely tied, so that free wheel cannot get out autonomous during the transport. It gets fixed with an elastic. You have to regard there is only one attachment that is holding the bike, but that's safe. Please watch out that the plastic eyelet of the hook and loop fastener is on the bicycle rack and not on the coating. When I want to take out the bike again, I just have to do everything the other way around. First you pick up the pedal spanner, then you untie the hook and loop fastener. You can hang it on the designated hook. Next I fold the bicycle rack forward so I have space. Then I take the back wheel out so I can simply shove the bike out.
Das Hinterrad rausnehmen und dann kann ich das Fahrrad ganz bequem hinten rausschalten.
When I'm finished underneath, fold up everything. By the use of the handy fastener, lock it again and start working on the higher side.
Das geht ganz einfach, indem man sie einfach so wieder aufstellt, genauso wie unten auch, nur jetzt hier oben.
Please just watch out for one thing. When you put the rail up again, it should snap in again for a safe hold. Please take care of that. When I load down the rail, preparative, arrange the bicycle rack and already loosen the hook and loop fastener. To get e-bikes and heavy bikes in the first floor, there is an optional lift. It saves me 15 kilogram weight. I only pull him down and hook him up here in the frame. Please take care that the hook is properly tied so it doesn't slide away. When I hook up the lift properly, I can carry the bike up. Pull it straight ahead, apply it, lay the turnbuckle over the pedal, and I'm almost done. I pull the bicycle rack to the frame and tie it up with the hook and loop fastener. Please take care that the soft side is to the frame. I'm going to tie it up now. Furthermore, the back wheel got tied up with a tape.
Diesen mache ich dann fest.
So it doesn't jump out during the transport. So it's really solid on the trail. Next, I pull out the hook again. Carefully let it go out up again. Therefore is the strap that you can hold it properly so it doesn't flip up alone. This I will push ahead. The unloading from the first store works the exactly other way. First I pick up the lift again, then I hook it in the frame. Please be careful that the hook is solid. I start to loosen the hook and loop fastener, the one that I don't need anymore. I hang them on the hook. I take the bike and pull it backwards and put it down. Untie the hooks again. Take care that it doesn't shoot up, and I'm done.
So, dann halte ich das mit der rechten Hand fest. Das Material, was ich nicht mehr brauche, kann man hier auf die Haken nehmen, den Halter nach vorne schieben. So, und dann packe ich das Fahrrad an geeigneter Stelle an, ziehe es einfach nach hinten rüber, lasse es runter, löse den Haken wieder. Achten Sie darauf, dass das nicht zu schnell nach oben schließt. Und dann bin ich fertig.
This was the BKF TV report. We saw how 32 bikes got into this Bikeliner, how they were taken out again, and how safe the transport can be. If you need any further information, bikeliner.com. There are useful information on bkftv.de. My name is Aaron Daniels, behind the camera.